Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring Nightreign Stuttering. First, make sure your game is updated to the latest patch. Developers often release performance fixes. Then upgrade your GPU drivers like Nvidia or AMD to the latest version. After that, restart your PC after installation. You can reduce settings like shadow quality, texture quality, evacs, and anti-aliasing. Now, disable features like VSync or motion blur to improve smoothness. Next, play in full screen rather than windowed or borderless, as this can reduce stuttering. Then, set a frame rate limit matching your monitor's refresh rate, e.g. 60 FPS or 120 FPS. Here, close unnecessary apps like Discord overlays, web browsers, or streaming software that may use CPU or RAM. Another setup is adjust Windows graphics settings. For Nvidia, open the Nvidia control panel. Now go to the Manage 3D settings. Here, select the program settings and choose Elden Ring. Then, set the power management mode by selecting the Prefer Maximum Performance. In low latency mode, select the On option. For AMD, open the Radeon software. After that, select the graphics and choose gaming settings. Reach the Elden Ring option and then optimize for performance. Make sure your Windows OS is fully updated, as some updates include performance improvements. Right-click the Elden Ring exe and select Properties. Then choose Compatibility and disable the full screen optimizations. Next, go to System and select the Advanced Performance option. Here, choose the Virtual Memory option and increase the paging file size, especially if you have less than 16 GB of RAM. Ensure your CPU or GPIG temperatures aren't throttling performance. You need to clean the dust from the PC or laptop fans. If stuttering persists despite all fixes, a fresh installation may solve corrupted files causing frame drops. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.